Well, hey folks, welcome back to the channel, and I want to take you guys for a walk around my 350 small block Chevy out of my 1970 Corvette. Let's take a walk around. I want to do kind of an initial assessment of what I think might be leaking, what could be the problem, and what we're going to be tackling in this build. Alright guys, so starting off on the front here, I don't see really anything terribly wrong with the water pump cover. Now keep in mind I do have the intake manifold bolts loose. These are all out. I've already broken the seal on the intake, so yeah, the gaps you see here and around on the back side, those are all just from removal of the intake. But from what I can see here, so we do have, and I apologize for the lighting, but I do see we've got some, you know, what looks like some kind of wetness right around the cylinder head here on the passenger side, kind of coming down towards the bottom a little bit. Now the oil pan on this side doesn't look terribly bad necessarily. Maybe a little bit down here on the front side. Motor mount is gone, so I'm gonna have to replace the motor mounts. I've got everything already taken off the exhaust manifold. Haven't cracked loose any of the cylinder head bolts yet, but those will come later. Now moving around here to the back side where the oil filter goes, it definitely looks a lot wetter, and kind of sneaking up here to the back side of the cylinder head. Hopefully you can kind of see that. It's really shining, and you know, the light's really reflecting off that moisture there. So I'm thinking definitely blown head gasket there on the driver's side. Let's see if we can kind of look up here. Not really seeing much. Looks like that, I don't know if that rear main seal is kind of poking out of there, but yeah, definitely some liquid has been leaking on the back side there. Kind of taking a peek down through here, can't really see a whole heck of a lot. Yeah, a little bit, but kind of more of the same along the back side here. Again, I've already cracked the intake loose, so that's why that gap is there. Just kind of swing around here to the passenger side. Yeah, definitely more of the same here. Hopefully that shows up. It's kind of really glistening, and that light is really reflecting off the oil. So definitely two blown head gaskets as far as I can see. And then kind of take a look at this motor mount here. Yeah, that bushing is gone. Definitely gonna have to replace the motor mounts there. Let's see, more of the same here, kind of around the front side of the cylinder head there. These are the GM double hump there. You can kind of see by the casting or the stamping marks there. So that's just kind of a quick walk around. Nothing too crazy there in the exhaust ports. So that's kind of what I see. What did I miss? What are you guys seeing? Anything else that I'm not seeing? Anything that I'm missing? Anything else I need to be looking for on this motor? Let me know down in the comments. Obviously, I'm gonna take the valve covers off. We are replacing the cylinder heads, so I'm not gonna worry about sending those off to the machine shop or anything. Keeping the intake, but I've got some goodies and some much needed upgrades for the internals of this engine. So there we go, guys, just a quick walk around of my 350 Chevy small block that came out of my 1970 Corvette. Just kind of doing an initial assessment on the motor. That's what I'm really seeing, mainly two blown head gaskets, and you know, just it's worn out. This engine was put in around 1972, and to my knowledge, it has never been out since it was installed in 72. I know my dad did a lot of work to it after he installed that motor in 72, but again, as far as I know, it has not been out of the car. So much needed and much overdue, long overdue upgrades and a refresh for this motor. So stay tuned, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got some exciting stuff planned for this build and for this car, for this engine, and can't wait to see where this thing goes. Stay tuned. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.